Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create designs for your print-on-demand store within seconds using AI on a platform called EffortlessPOD.com. This is their landing page. You will find an intro video and some basic informations. What's really exciting is that it only takes 3 steps to create your design as shown. So let's quickly look at the pricing. You can see for as low as $3.99, but I would recommend going for the creator plan because it's the best value for the price. Since I already have an account, I'll just log in, and once inside you will see the dashboard. As you can see, I already made a few designs, but let's create a fresh one together. I have a pre-made prompt ready so that you can just go ahead with it and not think too much. Once you select a format and the t-shirt which is necessary for you to click on generate now button, you will see style presets such as minimalist, nature, etc. These are optional and great for experimenting, but for now let's keep it simple and click on generate now. It usually takes some time, so we have to wait. And here is the design. As you can see, the design is good, the text is clear, elements look sharp, and now you have the option to like upscale it, remove its background, and then download it, I guess. Now let's move on to the feature I'm most excited about. It's the EffortlessPOD Reimagine extension. It's honestly one of the most powerful tools I've ever tried, like ever. From the dashboard, you go to the Chrome extension store, and after installing and pinning it to Chrome, just log in with your credentials, and it currently works on many platforms like Redbubble, Zazzle Spreadshirt, but we are going to try it on Redbubble for now. You will be blown away by how easy it is to generate or reimagine some designs that you see online, and I'm going to show you step by step. And let's see. First, you scroll through the designs and see the one you like. So we are going to select this one, the Jesus Christ one. I think I like this, and then I am going to click on it. It's gonna take me to its design page, and you can see that my overlay is already here. I could like just choose the Reimagine, but I would recommend going for the settings and changing a few settings. Like this is portrait, I don't want it square, and we're just going to click on it, and it's going to generate our design on our dashboard. It will just give you a notification here. As you can see, it has created a fresh new version of the design we were looking at. It's not the same, but very similar and unique, and that's what makes it useful. This feature has actually helped me generate multiple sales. And that's it. With EffortlessPOD and Reimagine extension, you can create unique designs in just minutes and even reimagine bestsellers for your own store. I hope this helps you level up on your print on demand journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, hopefully.